Hello, peace seekers. Welcome to this practice where we will celebrate the wonders of spring. Feel free to get comfortable in your indoor or outdoor space. Set accommodations so they can be suitable according to your needs. You can sit upright or lay down. Relax your muscles and joints. Let's begin. Place your right hand on your heart and left on your abdomen. Take a deep breath in through the nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale through the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, take a full breath of intention. Inhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel your belly expand and contract with each breath, and allow yourself to be an open vessel to soak up all positivity and high vibrational frequency. Spring is a very deep and symbolic season. It symbolizes transformation, new beginnings, and life becoming anew. It is a season in which Mother Nature thrives, revives, and comes alive. Colors are vibrant and rich. During spring, plant life is heightened energetically. You can learn from Mother Nature. If you mimic all her glory, you will then become more resilient and free. It will become easier to flow with the tides rather than swim against them. Your eyes will be open and receptive to beauty in all its forms. You will attract and manifest all that encourages you to prosper and grow. During spring, plant life is heightened energetically. You can learn from Mother Nature. If you mimic all her glory, you will become more resilient and free. It will become easier to flow with the tides rather than swim against them. Your eyes will be open and receptive to beauty in all its forms. You will attract and manifest all that encourages you to prosper and grow. Be like spring. Be ever-changing, constantly thriving, growing, maturing. There is a wisdom that comes with this gift. There is a spiritual maturity that is fostered. There is a sense of assurance and confidence you will exude. Be like spring. Inhale with full intention. And exhale. As we seal this practice, continue to go inward and say these words aloud. I am radiant. I am blessed. I am strong. I am loved. I am abundant. I am radiant. I am blessed. I am strong. I am loved. I am abundant. I am radiant. I am blessed. I am strong. I am loved. I am abundant. Thank you for participating. in this practice. I hope it motivates you to leave behind all that is withered and absorb all that is flourishing. Love and light.